Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a split footer layout in your Squarespace 7.1 website. We're going to be creating a layout that has 2 columns and one that has 3 columns. We're going to be using what's known as a flexbox to stack these side by side, but we are also going to reset this layout on mobile so they'll stack on top of each other, because on a tiny screen, 2 and 3 columns can get a little squished. Now, the codes I'm using today are in the description beneath the video, but make sure you watch this whole tutorial step by step so you understand exactly how to use them when you try to put them onto your own website, okay? Let's hop into my demo site and get started with that first one, the 2-column footer. So here we are in my demo site, and these codes are, as usual, custom CSS. So I'm going to navigate to design and then scroll all the way down to custom CSS at the bottom. This is where we'll be pasting the code. Now the first code right here, before I even paste it in there, I want to show you. Let's scroll down on my site. You'll see I have 2 different footer sections. I have this one at the top and then this one for the newsletter at the bottom. This is my demo site and I haven't hooked up the newsletter to anything, so that's why you're seeing that red box there. But anywho, I've got 1 section and 2 sections. So I'm going to paste the code right here. And what this code is going to do is pull those sections side by side. Now I've identified, okay, all the footer sections are going to be put in a flexbox. Then this second line and third line, these are saying, okay, we're going to take this first section and this second section. And then we've got the code underneath it. This code underneath it is saying, okay, I want you to put those side by side. And then after that, we have a special media query code that says, guess what? On mobile, put it back to normal. So let's take a look at that mobile preview really quick. Just going to click on that and you'll see they're back in order on mobile. But here on the desktop, we've got one on the left and one on the right. Now, let's say you want to actually add a horizontal line between those sections. We can actually create a little border here. I'm going to go ahead and say border left 1px solid. Let's just make it a solid black line. And now we actually have a horizontal line between the 2 sections. Pretty cool, right? All right, let's remove this code. I'm going to add a 3rd section to this footer, and we'll check out that 3-column layout that I was talking about. I'm going to select edit up here, and I'm just going to quickly select edit footer, and we'll add one of those pre-made sections right here in the middle. Let's go for, how about this one right there? Just a little sub menu. All right, that's been added. I'll go ahead and change the color of that too so we can see what the difference looks like. Let me just click through this right quick. Let's go for that one. All right, I'm going to select save. And now, again, this code is in the description beneath the video. I'm just copying it from my notes here, and I'm going to paste it. Now we're doing the same thing here. We're saying, okay, we're going to display those footer sections in a flexbox. Then you're going to take the first section, the second section, and the third section and place them side by side in this flexbox. And then on a mobile screen, we're going to go ahead and stack them on top of each other. How cool is that? So now we have the 3 different sections. And again, you can absolutely use the code beneath the video here to add a line between those 2 sections if you want to. Let's go ahead and make this line red so it really stands out. There we go. There we go. All right. So now I have the 3 different sections. I've got lines between them. They're in this flexbox column that resets on a mobile device. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Again, the codes are listed in the description beneath the video, so you can grab those and try them on your own site. I definitely want to encourage you to play around with that border code as well. That's a pretty fun one. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something awesome. And most importantly, have fun with your Squarespace website. Bye for now. If you like this tutorial, you'll love my CSS cheat sheet. With over 30 pages of pro tips and code snippets specific for Squarespace, you can customize your site way beyond your design menu. Download your copy today at insidethesquare.co/CSS. That's insidethesquare.co/CSS.